Welcome to AsynCode. Want to get smarter and have some fun while you're at it? Subscribe to my coding channel, and I'll make sure you fall in love with programming. Let's make those lines of code look so good. In Python, an array is a data structure that stores multiple values in a single variable. Importing the array module, which helps us work with arrays in Python. Create an array that stores integers. I indicates that we are using integer values. The list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 represents the values that are initially stored in the array. Print the array to see the elements stored in it. Accessing an element at index 2, which is 3 in this case. Arrays in Python use zero-based indexing, so ARR2 will give us the third item, which is 3. Modifying an element at index 1. In this case, we are changing the value at index 1, which is 2, to 10. Appending a new element, 7, to the end of the array. The append function adds the value 7 to the end of the array. Removing the first occurrence of the value 3 from the array. The remove function searches for the value 3 and removes it from the array. Popping an element from the end of the array. The pop function removes and returns the last element. In this case, it will remove 7. Checking the length of the array. The len function returns the number of elements in the array. Using a loop to print each element in the array. We are using a for loop to iterate over all the elements in the array and print them one by one. The array has been modified, and we have performed several operations. Accessing an element using its index. Modifying an element by its index. Appending a new value. Removing a specific element by its value. Popping the last element from the array. Checking the length of the array. Looping through and printing each element. Now run our code. That's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated.